Hello friends, my name is Nagendra and once again I am back and today is the third lecture of this tutorials and the main things today we will discuss about the bot. Okay, so as per our discussion in the my previous video I will show you the example, the full flash example. Okay, so basically achieve this example, so we just start step, we are just take step one by one. So in the initial state we will discuss all the points. So today we will discuss about onion boat. Okay, and later on we will discuss about all the topics in my upcoming video, but today the main thing is boat. Okay, so basically what is boat? So basically boat, in the case of the scenario boat, suppose you are just creating a chatbot and you want to integrate this chatbot in your website. Like suppose you are working with Angular website and you want to integrate with this, so you need to integrate this bot. So basically bot is a primary services of the AWS Lex, so that on the time you need to migrate this bot with your application. Okay, so now I just come with a lab. Okay, so I just searching here the AWS Lex, because Lex is used to creating a bot. I just click on this button. I think internet issue taking too much time. Yeah, so here you can see there's some predefined, there are some bots I have already created, but for you as a fresh, so I just creating a new bot. So first one, I click on this button, create bot. So now you can see there are the three methods to creating a bot. First one is a create a blank bot, the start with the example. Third one is the start with transcript. But today we will focus on the blank bot, because if you are learning, if you are beginner, so this is the best thing. And the second one is starting with the example. I can show you. So in this there are some predefined script here. You can say there's some predefined example of the bot. So on that time you don't need to do anything. So you can click any of them and just start your working. But the main focus is I am a beginner and I want to learn you everything. So I just click on the create a blank bot as a fresh bot. So I click on this one. So now you can see there is some options available like bot name. So like we are providing away bot name is job. Okay, in a simple way. Like suppose we can say is a YouTube job. So like by job hyphen, and it's a description is like it's also optional part, but you can provide something like lecture 3 as a remember. And there's some the is I am permission. So basically in this we have the two options, either you can create a new role or maybe you can use existing role. So I have already created some board, so I just use with my existing role. Yeah, but one thing you need to remember, if you are a fresher, yeah, if you are creating the first time board, so you need to click on these options. Basically you need to come with this option, create a role with basic example explanation. But I have already created many bots, so I just go with my old one. I just click this one. Okay, and in this basically it's like some policy and act, and it's applicable by the United States. Okay, so like it is not nothing a big things, it's only a law. It depends on the children's policy. So I just click on this no button, and then I just go with the idle session timeout. So basically it's a timeout where where our bot is basically disconnect from the internet, or basically disconnect from the Lex. So it's basically a timeout period where your bot is disconnecting automatically. Okay, and now I click on the next button. Yeah, and now you need to select a language. So there are the lots of language, you can see, but today I am selecting the English IN because I am from the India. So I am taking the English IN, but you can take any of them like English US, English ZA. What do you want? It's a description again is optional, so no need to pass. And now it's a voice interaction, so there are the some options like causal, Aditi, Ravina. But the main things today I am creating only on text based application, not a voice based. So I just click on this one, none. And this one is like a confidence score threshold. So don't worry about it, we will discuss about it in my upcoming video, in my upcoming video. So it's a right now, it's a default, 0.40. I just click on done button. And when I click on the done button, yeah, that's perfect. You can see here it's automatically a message is shown like successfully created bot y-job. And you can also see in the left hand that there are the two intent is automatically created when you're creating a bot. So it's a default functionality of the bot. Well, that means if you are creating a bot, so there are the two intents automatically created. Okay, and their name is a new intent and the second one is the fallback intent. So Now you can change your intent name like something first. Okay, and but in my upcoming video I will discuss about the deep dive in the intent, but today I will only show you about the bot. Okay, I just click on the save intent button. Network issue, I think that's why it's taking too much time. Okay, yeah, and now I just click on this bot button and I can show you that we have already created a bot. That's a perfect. So you can show in this list, in the last one, why-job, it's created and it's a description, it's a, like it's an option, and you can see here that last updated 2 minutes ago. So we have successfully created our bot. So in my upcoming video I will discuss about the intents, so it's the next part. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much.